Biryani isn't Indian. It isn't really Pakistani either. It came from Persia, was perfected in Mughal kitchens, and then split into dozens of versions. And the one you've probably never tried might be the boldest of them all. The story starts with Persian pilaf, simple rice cooked with meat and broth, brought to South Asia by traders and Mughal royalty centuries ago. In the royal kitchens, it evolved. Chefs began layering marinated meat with half-cooked rice, sealing the pot with dough, and slow cooking it over low heat, a method called dum. As the Mughal Empire spread across the subcontinent, so did biryani. But it never stayed the same twice. Every region added its own spices, its own technique, its own identity. In Hyderabad, it became rich and layered with saffron. In Lucknow, it turned delicate and fragrant. But in Sindh, it became something else entirely. Tangier, spicier, loaded with fried potatoes and tomatoes. Sindhi biryani doesn't try to be subtle. It's bold on purpose. Here's what makes it different. The meat is marinated in yogurt, chili, and dried plums. Yes, dried plums, for that signature tang. It's layered with fried potatoes, tomatoes, and power-cooked rice, then sealed and slow-cooked, so every grain absorbs the spice from below. No stirring, no shortcuts, just heat, time, and patience. That's the biryani most of the world has never tasted. Next time, we're going further back, to the dish the Mughals were eating before biryani even existed. Subscribe so you don't miss it.